boys and girls. Welcome to part 2 of our word study lesson for today. Remember, our new pattern that we're working with is the plural S. We add the S to the end of the word to make it mean more than one of that certain thing. Now let's get started with our practice. Get your notebook and pencil or whiteboard and dry erase marker ready. You are going to write down the following word. The word is trees. Notice the picture has more than one tree, so the word is trees. Write it down. All right, let's check our spelling. The word is trees. Spell it with me. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Good job. Let's look at the next one. There's more than one cat here. The word is cats. Say it with me. Cats. Now write it. Okay, let's look at our spelling. The word is spelled C-A-T-S. Cats. Very good job. If you need more time to write down each word, just pause the video and write it down quickly. Let's look at the next word. The next word is gifts. That means that there's more than one gift here. Let's write it down. Gifts. Okay, now let's spell it all together. G-I-F-T-S. Gifts. Good job. The next one, there's more than one clock here. There's an analog clock and a digital clock. The word that we're writing down is clocks. Everyone write down the word clocks. Okay, let's spell it out. C-L-O-C-K-S. Clocks. Great job, boys and girls. Now it's our last word. The word is pencils. There's more than one in the picture, so we added the letter S at the end of the word. Everyone write down the word pencils. All right, let's spell it. P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencils. Great job. Now let's get ready for our dictation sentence. I'm going to read it a couple of times. Make sure you get your whiteboards or notebooks ready. The sentence is, the dogs were smarter than the birds, but the cats were smarter than the dogs. I'm going to read it a couple more times. The dogs were smarter than the birds, but the cats were smarter than the dogs. Going to read it one more time. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need some extra time. The dogs were smarter than the birds, but the cats were smarter than the dogs. All right, boys and girls, let's go over that first part of that sentence. The dogs were smarter than the birds, but all right, boys and girls, you know how we always do. Let's circle our capital T that starts the beginning of our sentence. Now I see that the word dogs has an S because there's more than one dog in this picture. I also see that the dogs were smarter than the birds. We were comparing the dogs and the birds. So let's circle the ER at the end of the word smarter. Let's underline the S because there's more than one bird in this picture. So the word is birds. Notice I put a comma because I'm starting a new thought. So I added that comma to then start the word but because I had a second thought. Then it says, but the cats were smarter than the birds. Let's underline that S under cats and circle the ER in the word smarter and underline the S in the word dogs because there's more than one dog. And like always, let's underline that period 3 times. Thank you so much for doing word study with me. I hope you liked our first lesson. Talk to you soon. Bye.